Hi, given the opportunity to financially plan and analyze your company, this scope of work outlines the financial planning and analysis services I will deliver to your company. As an ACCA-qualified accountant with senior level FP&A experience and a hands-on approach, I offer a seamless service tailored to companies ranging from early-stage ventures with limited in-house finance strategies resources to more established organizations navigating increasing operational complexity. This is an offering that is designed for businesses that are without a dedicated in-house finance strategy function, or companies that are looking to enhance the capabilities of their existing FP&A team, or companies needing short to medium-term gap coverage for senior finance capacity, or seeking support on FP&A related projects such as financial modeling or ERP optimization. My engagement draws on leading practices in financial modeling, anchored in driver-based methodology, and is complemented by actionable performance insights and strategic business partnering. All these delivered at a fraction of the cost of hiring of a full-time senior finance leader with around 20 plus years experience, while still providing the full benefits of that expertise. The work is structured into 4 flexible yet sequential phases to ensure smooth integration with your business. Phase 1: Discovery and FP&A Foundation Startup. Here, we'll begin with aligning on your strategic priorities, reporting maturity, and key operational drivers. The goal here is to ensure that all subsequent modeling and planning activities are grounded in the actual mechanics of how your business actually operates. The key activities will include, but not limited to, stakeholder discovery workshop, collaborative sessions with stakeholders across the CEO, operations, sales, finance to surface strategic priorities, reporting requirements, and pain points. Business model mapping to document how revenue is generated and costs incurred align to customer journeys and center operational activities. Driver identification and operational flow mapping to define the key operational drivers behind financial performance such as your headcount, throughput, CAC, churn, and to map their relationships. Chart of accounts review, the reconfiguration if necessary to optimize your chart for driver-based modeling, meaningful cost center roll-ups, and strategic decision making. Systems integration and data flow setup, evaluating your current systems like your Xero, Sage, QuickBooks, HubSpot, ERP platforms, and designing streamlined data pipelines using tools like Excel, Power Query, and Power BI. All of that will then dovetail into phase 2, driver-based financial modeling and planning. Here, I'll build robust, dynamic models that translate operational assumptions into forward-looking financial outputs, enabling scenario planning, informed decision-making, and proactive resource allocation. The key activities here would be the integrated financial model development. I'll build a full 3-statement model, P&L, balance sheet, and cash flow with modular logic that is used to accommodate revenue streams, business units, or geographies. All of this underpinned by operational drivers that include your sales funnel, metrics, pricing, headcounts, you name it. Scenario planning engine. I enable toggle-based assumption testing across best, worst, and expected cases and design custom scenario, for example, fundraising, hiring plans, or market expansion. Included in this phase, annual budgeting. Lead collaborative bottom-up budgeting by departments consolidated to group level budgets with assumption dashboard and facilitation of department ownership alignment through clear input and transparent logic. Along with all this will be the rolling forecast. I conduct monthly or quarterly rolling forecasts based on actuals that are now dynamically updated with the assumptions to reflect shifting business conditions. All this then takes us to phase 3, where we're looking at managerial accounting and performance insight. This is where we then transform financial data into operational intelligence, because by structuring information around decision making rather than compliance, we help management teams interpret performance through a more strategic lens. The key activities: cost analysis and profitability tracking, where I develop product or service level profitability models, create customer level cross margin views, and classify direct and indirect costs to uncover optimization opportunities. The management reporting suite, I will deliver monthly and as well as quarterly reports tailored to your CEO, COO, and CFO needs. Provide departmental cost center reports and variance commentaries, and build KPI dashboard aligned with strategic objectives. Along with these, you would have your variance analysis and strategic commentaries as standard. I would analyze your budget against your actual, against your forecast trends, provide root cause analysis and explanations, actionable recommendations, define and track key financial and non-financial indicators, and map lead and lag metrics for enhanced forward-looking visibility. And all of that will then take us neatly and strategically to phase 4. This is where we're looking at strategic business partnering and execution support. This particular phase marks the shift from reporting to decision enablement. FP&A becomes a strategic partner, guiding leaders in deploying capital, shaping pricing strategies, informing hiring plans, and supporting investment decisions. The key activities in this area, we're looking at business case development, where I model return on investment for initiatives such as hiring, expansion, new product development, or capital expenditure. I also support pricing strategy with contribution margin and break-even analysis. And then with regards to the board and investor reporting support, I'll prepare financial narratives and decks for things like fundraising rounds or just standard board meetings, and conduct pre-board sessions and align messaging and anticipate key questions. And along with all this, we would have the cash flow optimization and working capital management. This will include a development of a dynamic 13-week cash flow forecast, identify levers for collections, payment terms, inventory, and bond management. And no doubt, ad hoc analysis to deliver tactical financial models and insight to support timely strategic decisions. From company to company, industry to industry, region to region, irrespective of geographies and complexities, we've come to realize that by progressing through these 4 structured phases, your business gains more than just financial reports. You gain a strategic finance capability. From building solid modeling infrastructure to enabling confident executive decision making, this particular engagement is designed to scale with your needs, embed insight into your day-to-day operations, and elevate finance as the trusted business partner. Now, whether you're navigating growth, preparing for investment, or simply seeking clarity in complexity, this partnership delivers the experience, the tools, and strategic perspective, all at a fraction of your typical cost, all at a fraction of your typical time, but everything, 100% of the experience and ability would all come with this particular engagement. There's nothing fractional about it. The deliverables will include integrated financial model, driver-based annual budget, the rolling forecast tool, your management reporting suites and packs, 13-week cash flow forecasting, KPI dashboards, profitability reports by segments, by cost centers, scenario modeling, investor and board reporting templates, business case models, ad hoc FP&A support, engagement, and collaboration. By way of introduction, I'm Hamilton Alogaga, an ACCA-qualified accountant with decades of expertise in financial performance management reporting, providing this FP&A but as a service. My career began as a management accountant, where I honed advanced financial modeling skills and gained deep commercial exposure. Over the years, I have then combined insider business knowledge with strategic leadership in FP&A, enabling me to then deploy driver-based solutions tailored to real businesses like yours. I specialize in building bottom-up, fully integrated financial models that go beyond the numbers. They reflect the operational habits of businesses. This methodology enables seamless business partnering with both internal and external stakeholders. It forms the foundation for what's robust yet simplified financial planning and analysis. To have a feel for these models in action, I invite you to explore a walkthrough of a nested suite of operational and financial models. You'll see input processing framework, management reporting packages, and real-time company data being seamlessly integrated, producing investor-ready financial reports. The chances are that your FP&A setup is already strong and solid. If so be the case, then fantastic and more power to you. But if there are gaps, whether in your tools, processes, or expertise, I can help, and I would love to bridge them for you. Whether you need an expert to integrate into your finance team, or specialized support, or forecasting, scenario planning, or financial modeling enhancement, I'd love to help. We just need to start with a simple conversation whereby you drop me a line and then we can start an exploratory demonstration using your real company data. This will then enable you to see firsthand how a driver-based suite of financial model can transform your FP&A approach. I offer this on a very flexible engagement. The options are you have your daily rate, fixed term contract, or a retainer model, ensuring that you have a service that is tailored to your organization's specific needs. The very first step is very simple. Just reach out. Let's create something exceptional together. For now, thanks for watching, and until the very next time, happy financial planning and analyzing your companies. Thank you very much.